Yay.
That guy with the fried chicken.
Hi,
It's Marissa,
and Jared,
and we're the Parkhopbears.
and we're here at Hollywood Studios in Florida at Walt Disney World, and we're gonna get lunch.
Yay!
We're gonna go to 50's Prime Time Café.
Yum!
Yay! It's also home of our favorite lounge, the Tune-In Lounge.
Yeah.
One of our favorite bars at Hollywood Studios. So we're really excited. Yay! Let's go get Mom's meatloaf. Here we go. Grabbing a drink as we wait in the Tune-In Lounge for our table.
She'll bring you whatever you need.
They have the TVs and stuff. Yay. Fun 50s decor. Bar. More TVs. Water stand. Waiting for our table. In the Tune-In Lounge.
I felt like I saw the film. That was the best one.
Yay.
That guy with the fried chicken.
So this is the Mom's meatloaf. Looks good.
And this is the pot roast. Has potatoes and green beans.
Grandma's chicken pot pie. Cherry Coke too. Cherry Coke.
Mom's sampler with cherry coke.
How's the pot roast?
It's really good. I like it.
Yeah, it's really tender. It's nice.
It's a lot of flavor too.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. I like the carrots on top.
Yeah, it's nice.
And here's my meatloaf. It's pretty good. Has like a ketchup glaze on it. And there's a mashed potato too.
I just started the day, so maybe, I don't know, getting real time to write. Alright. And
I think the pot roast was the best.
Hot roast was the winner, yeah. That was the best.
I like that one.
Chicken pot pie wasn't bad either.
Alright, so whenever floats your boat floats line, are we ready to rock and roll, or do we need a minute or 20? Go. Alright, yep.
Finished your plate, so you got a sticker.
I did that.
I finished mine too.
Yep, a couple of Clean Plate Club stickers.
Yay.
There we go. These are pretty cool.
I like it. Wear it with pride.
Yay.
Got all this
You can't have a crayon, can you? Probably not. With all these plates?
So that was lunch at 50's Prime Time Café.
Yay.
Yay, I am full.
Yeah. It's hot and then you eat like a lot of food and it's just like,
Time
Yeah.
to take a nap.
yeah. So we really liked everything. We go there a bit. We like the meatloaf and the...
You can actually, we've gotten it at the lounge before.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And we do have a lounge video, so make sure you check that out. We'll put the link in the description below.
Yeah, I really like the mom's meatloaf. They have really good fried chicken was good.
Yeah, pot
The pot roast. And the sampler platter is really like a fun way to try all three if you're not sure what you want.
Yeah.
That's always really good. We really enjoyed it again. And the drink menu is the Tune In Lounge drink menu, which is really good because that's one of our favorites, like we said. And yeah, no, it's just really fun. They kind of like yell at you a little bit. Like when they call your name, they're like, "Oh, time for dinner" or whatever. And then
Kind
like
of a fun lunch experience.
yeah, and the waitress is like kind of surly, but not like in a bad way, like in like a fun like parenting way. I don't know.
The TVs they have throughout the restaurant.
Yeah, I like all the TVs and the decor. Food's really good. Yeah, I don't know. It's one of the ones that I really like in Hollywood Studios. I maybe like the sci-fi a little bit better, but I think the food's better here at Prime Time.
Yeah, there's more variety of options. I think.
Yeah, there's a bigger variety. It's more just kind of burgers over at Sci-Fi Drive-In. So I think this one, maybe it does have the edge. I don't know.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah, let us know which one's your favorite restaurant at Hollywood Studios. Of course, Brown Derby's really good too. So let us know in the comments below which one's your favorite.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Is that
If
a
you
squirrel?
did- yeah, I think so. You went that way. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a
Thumbs up.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do post lots of Disney videos and more, so make sure you click on that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna go find the squirrel now.
Let's go looking for that squirrel. Bye, everybody.